Hello everyone. Today we're going to work on a petty cash problem. You'll remember from your reading that petty cash is simply taking cash out of the bank and putting it into a box in the office that we're going to use for minor expenditures. All right, so usually we have 3 journal entries associated with taking care of our petty cash fund. The first one is establishing our petty cash fund. Now you'll see that there is an assignment attached to this video, and you can look at that and get all of the particulars, and we're just going to solve it right here on the screen. So the first thing we need to do is establish our petty cash account. So we're going to record a journal entry on October 1st, and we are going to increase petty cash, which is an asset, and decrease the cash in our bank. And your problem says that we're going to do that for $500. Okay, makes sense? And then we're going to put our explanation to establish petty cash. All right. So throughout the month, your employees will come in and hand you receipts, and they expect to be reimbursed for minor expenditures throughout the month. So at the end of the month, on October 31st, we need to record those receipts into the accounts where they actually belong and replenish petty cash. So the first thing we're going to do is put all of those receipts into the accounts where they belong. So the first one we're going to do is delivery fees expense. And that was for $200. And this is an expense account, so it has a normal debit balance. The next one is our repairs and maintenance account. And you can see that that one is for $160. And then the postage account for $40. And the supplies account. Let's add the expense to those for $50. All right, we're not quite done. So you know that at any given time, there's got to be $500 in that petty cash box. It can be $500 in cash. It can be $500 in a combination of cash and receipts. So look at this. We've got receipts for how much? Okay. The problem says that we only have $40 left in the cash box. So I would expect this to add up to $460, but it doesn't, does it? Sometimes that happens. There's cash missing, or there's a receipt that wasn't turned in. What do? We actually take care of it in an account called cash short / over. And in this case, we need a $10 adjustment. All right. And then our credit is going to be to petty cash for the $460. All right. In the next video, we'll look at reestablishing the petty cash account. You'll remember from our previous video that we had established petty cash, we had recorded the receipts that were in the petty cash box, and now we need to replenish petty cash. You'll remember that we had receipts that totaled $450, plus we had that $10 adjustment, so we need to put $460 back into the petty cash box. So we're going to do that by debiting petty cash, our asset, for $460. And where's that money going to come from? From cash in our bank account, $460. And our explanation, to replenish petty cash. That's it. Usually just those 3 journal entries associated with petty cash. Establishing the petty cash fund, recording the receipts every month, and then finally replenishing the petty cash fund. That's all there is to it. Now you know what to do. Thanks.